Well, 7 News is now digging into the explanation from Fairfax County's top prosecutor on why his office dropped multiple violent charges against an illegal immigrant now charged with murder. Abdul Jalloh is accused of killing a mother at a bus stop. All new at 5 o'clock, our Nick Minock went to court to get new information on how prosecutors handled Jalloh's past criminal charges. Nick joins us live with what he found. Nick?
When I asked Fairfax County Commonwealth Attorney Steve Descano's office why they dropped so many charges against Abdul Jalloh before he was charged with murdering Stephanie Minter at a bus stop, the Commonwealth's attorney pointed to the victims as part of the issue. Descano's office told 7 News that victim participation or presence at court hearings and successful prosecution would have depended on victim testimony. But I found Descano's office didn't subpoena any victims or witnesses in at least 3 of Jalloh's recent criminal cases, and there's no record in the public case file that shows prosecutors even tried to contact the victims. For instance, in 2 separate malicious wounding charges in 2024 and in 2025, Descano's office didn't subpoena the victims or witnesses to make a case against Jalloh, who was accused of stabbing and beating victims. And when Jalloh was charged for assaulting another man in April 2024, we found the same thing. In all 3 cases, Descano's office dropped the charges and let Jalloh walk free. Now, he's charged with murdering Stephanie Minter, an innocent mother, at a bus stop in High Valley.
This is an abject failure in Fairfax County at every level, whether it's the Board of Supervisors or the prosecutor's office, just turn their heads the other way. It is shameful, and it's an abject failure of their responsibility as an elected government official to protect the citizens that put them in office.
Congressman Rob Whitman says voters should hold Descano accountable for the death of Stephanie, saying this could happen again if things don't change.
It's absolutely unacceptable. As I said, for prosecutors, it's their job to enforce the law, to do it in ways that protect their citizens, and especially enforcing the law against who they know are habitual violent offenders of the law. It's just reprehensible.
Police say they've encountered Jalloh more than 100 times, and 7 News obtained emails that show police warned Descano that this man was so dangerous that it wasn't a matter of if, but when he would kill someone. Now, Jalloh has faced more than 40 charges in the past, and Descano's office has dropped almost every single charge that came across their desk. And today, for the 3rd time, I asked for an interview with Mr. Descano. His office did not respond. Reporting live in Fairfax, Nick Minock, 7 News.